Let's solve this equation for x. Solve it for x. Okay, we're going to move this 3 over here to the left side. When we subtract 3 from both sides, we get negative 3 over here. This 3 goes away. So now I want to factor this left side here. Factor this. Going to use the AC factoring method, and we're going to no fuss it. No fuss means copy the 10 down twice. You say, I don't like that. Why? Why? I don't think 10 times 10 is 10. Well, don't fuss about it, just copy it. It's called no fuss factoring. Mathematicians will fuss about it. Don't, just copy the silly thing, okay? Now understand we're going to get rid of a 10 in a minute or so, okay? Right now we copy down the 10. We want two numbers that when you multiply them you get what? It's the A, C will give us negative 30. A here is 10, C is negative 3. Multiply A times C, you get negative 30. When you add them, you get this number right here. Okay? We'll list all of the factors of 30 now. 1 times 30, 2 times 15. We're counting 1, 2. After 1, 2 comes 3. 3 times 10 is 30. 1, 2, 3. 4 doesn't go into 30, but 5 does, and 5 times 6 is 30. How do I get a 1? With a 6 and a 5. How do I get a negative 1? We have to have a negative 6 and a plus 5. Okay? You can put the negative 6 up here or down here, either place you want to put it. I just chose to write the 5 here. It doesn't matter where you write these numbers, whether the 6 goes up here or the 5 goes down here, because we no fussed it. We no fussed it. Because this is 10 in both cases, you could put the 5 here and the negative 6 here, or you could put the plus 5 here and the negative 6 here. It doesn't matter. Now, here we go. We're saying 10 times 10 is not 10, so I have to get rid of a 10. Okay, so factor a 2 out of these two. Factor a 2 out of here, which we're going to throw away. 2 times 5x, 10x. 2 times 3 is 6. Notice I have a 2 right here, but also notice 10 times 10 is not 10, so I'm going to get rid of that 2. I'm going to throw away that 2. Out of these two, factor out a 5. 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 1 is 5. Because 10 times 10 is not 10, we get rid of the 2, we get rid of the 5. Throw them away. And here's my factored form. Okay. This equals what? 0. All right. So we're going to set this one equal to 0 and this one equal to 0. Here we go. We're going to set this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Solve this one. We add 3. Solve this one. We subtract 1. Let's go ahead and add 3. Divide by the 5. There's one of my values right there. Here we're going to subtract 1. Subtract 1. Okay. Divide by 2. That's my other number. So either x is 3/5 or x is a negative 1/2.